For too long, we have treated the land as something to conquer. Industrial agriculture, with its exclusive chemical use and heavy machinery, has depleted our soils and polluted our waters. It's time for a change. Regenerative agriculture offers a different path, one that heals the earth instead of harming it. Regenerative agriculture is about working with nature, not against it. It's a way of farming that nourishes the soil, increases biodiversity, and captures carbon from the atmosphere. It's about creating healthy ecosystems that produce abundant food while combating climate change. This approach goes beyond sustainability. It's about regeneration, about leaving the land better than we found it. It's about creating a future where farming is not part of the problem, but part of the solution. Regenerative agriculture encompasses a range of practices, each contributing to the health of the land. These practices are interconnected, working together to create a thriving ecosystem. One key practice is no-till farming. Instead of ploughing, farmers leave crop residues on the soil surface. This protects the soil from erosion, improves water retention, and promotes microbial activity. Cover cropping is another important practice. Farmers plant cover crops like clover or rye during the off-season. These crops prevent erosion, fix nitrogen in the soil, and provide habitat for beneficial insects. Crop rotation is another crucial element. By rotating crops with different nutrient needs, farmers prevent soil depletion and reduce pest and disease pressure. Integrating livestock into the system through rotational grazing further enhances soil health and biodiversity. The benefits of regenerative agriculture extend far beyond the farm. By improving soil health, we improve water quality. Healthy soils act like sponges, absorbing rainfall and filtering out pollutants. Regenerative agriculture also helps combat climate change. By sequestering carbon in the soil, we can draw down excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This helps mitigate the effects of global warming. Moreover, regenerative practices promote biodiversity. By creating diverse habitats, we support a wider range of plants, animals, and insects. This leads to a more resilient and productive ecosystem. Well, seeds of change require overcoming the obstacles. While the benefits of regenerative agriculture are clear, there are challenges to widespread adoption. Many farmers are hesitant to change their practices, especially when faced with economic pressures. The transition to regenerative agriculture can require upfront investments and a shift in mindset. It takes time for the land to heal and for the benefits to become fully apparent. Furthermore, there is a need for more research and education to support farmers in adopting these practices. We need policies that incentivize regenerative agriculture and make it a more viable option for farmers. In conclusion, a future rooted in regeneration. Regenerative agriculture holds immense promise for the future of our food system and our planet. By embracing practices that heal the land, we can produce abundant food, protect our environment, and create a more sustainable and equitable world. It's time to turn away from the destructive practices of the past and embrace a future where farming is a force for good. Let us cultivate a future where our food system nourishes both people and the planet.